YouTube, making this video because I have a problem with the SLS suspension leaking oil. This is the pressure line out of the SLS system. You know, here is the reservoir, here is the pump, oil pump for the SLS, and this is the line from this bolt goes right here all the way to this point. So I'm planning to remove the water pump. What I'm planning to do is to change this pressure line, remove the water pump, and try to put it. It's not easy to find this kind of line, so I ordered it from Europe. Here is the part number. And this is how it looks, the new piece. Let's see what happens. Jack up the car, remove the tire to see from the bottom how it looks. Okay, this is the end. This is the end of the hose. Goes this way. Here around the air pump, behind the alternator, and it goes up. As you see how much oil I have right here. So for now I'm trying to unscrew this side, and then I'm gonna remove the water pump. Pressure line, there is a tools, you need to have it. They look like this. Okay, there's 12. I'm not sure if the oil goes to leak or not. I guess it's not gonna leak much. Okay, this is done. I'm gonna see on the upper side to remove the water pump and get started from the other side. Moving the upper radiator hose. You can see the line right now. It's mounted on a block, and here is behind the alternator and the water pump, and goes right there. Okay, I have the thermostat removed. The thermostat is right here on this hose, going on the bottom of the radiator. Thermostat is here. Here is a socket that goes to up in upper side on the radiator. I just removed this bolt from the high pressure side on a pump. Here is the hose. You can see the hose, and it goes on the bottom of the below the water pump. So next is this bolt right here, holding the hose to the cylinder block. Okay, I want to show you. This is the belt, alternator belt, and this is the hose, high pressure from the hydraulic SLS. Then you pull belt to tight the alternator distress, that high pressure line. Okay, here I am now. I removed the alternator, but I cannot remove the bolt. Someone somehow tied those two nuts against each other very strong, so when I turn, the whole thing rotates. This is sucks, but I found solution. Put alternator on the side. So right now you can see the line here. Here the was distressed, but the alternator, there is a kind of damage. I don't know if this is the leaking point or not. I need to unscrew this 13 mil right now. And here I am. You maybe wonder why is the red color on the fluid. Yeah, because it's a ATF. Okay, fancy toes. Yeah, I can see this bolt was never taken off. Here I am. I removed the clutch for the fan, the surrounding. The alternator is here. The hose is disconnected. That bolt was just disconnected, so it's a completely free here. But I need to go under. Let me show you what is under. There is two more brackets. Two more brackets that holding. This is one. I need to remove this one. And there is one more somewhere over there. I need to remove this too. That's the dirtiest job I ever get recently. Okay, I'm pulling the shit out. Let's see. Ah, look. Fantastic. Why it's not going? Motherfucker. Motherfucker. Look at that. Look at that ugly motherfucker. Okay. And now I need to manage how to get this part. Okay. All right. And ladies and gents, the whole shit is out. Here is that nasty motherfucker. Here is the new piece, and next on a reverse way needs to be put on. Just before to put the new hose, I make this condom both sides so not get any dirt, because it's a lot of dirt around the engine. Keep it clean until put it on a place. Guys, day 2. I wasn't able almost to sleep. I was thinking how to put the new one behind the water pump, and I wake up early like 7, but soon as I get here with the car, soon as I try, I made it. And right now you see the new line is tight. Goes right there. Everything is put, thermostat, alternator, everything is in place. Right now I'm putting some coolant, and I need to adjust the arm on a leveling valve on the back, on the rear, that controls how much pressure to go on the shocks. I have brand new arm, so my arm was missing. So this is it for now. Keep working.